To straighten your hair with a flat iron, first wait until it's completely dry, since straightening wet hair can damage it. Apply a thermal protectant to your hair to protect it from the heat even more. Then plug in your flat iron and wait for it to heat up. Grab a 1/2 inch, 1¼ centimeter section of your hair and run the flat iron from the roots to the end. Avoid straightening sections larger than this, since you'll need to go over them more with the flat iron, which can lead to more heat damage. After you straighten one section, continue straightening 1/2 inch, 1¼ centimeter sections of your hair until you've gone over all of it.